Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, I'll start investing when I earn more? It's one of the biggest lies we tell ourselves. Because the truth is, most wealthy people didn't become rich because they earned a lot. They became rich because they learned how to manage money before they earned more. Imagine two people. Both earn the same salary. The first person spends everything by the end of the month. The second person saves just 10% of every paycheck and invests it consistently. 5 years later, their lives look completely different. The difference wasn't income, it was discipline. This is the secret that schools rarely teach. Money isn't about luck, it's about habits. The first habit is simple. Pay yourself first. The moment your salary arrives, move a percentage into savings or investments before paying for anything else. Even if it's only 10%. Your future deserves to be paid before your shopping habits. Next, avoid lifestyle inflation. Many people get a raise and immediately buy a bigger phone, a better car, or expensive clothes. Instead of becoming wealthier, they simply become better at spending. Wealthy people think differently. When their income increases, their investments increase first. Their lifestyle comes later. Now let's talk about investing. Many people believe investing is only for the rich. That's simply not true. The real power isn't investing a huge amount once. It's investing small amounts consistently. This is where compound growth changes everything. Money earns returns. Those returns begin earning their own returns, year after year. Your wealth starts growing faster than you imagined. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Another powerful habit is creating multiple income streams. Think about it. If your only income stops tomorrow, what happens? That's why successful people build extra sources of income. Some start freelancing. Others create digital products. Some invest in businesses. Many build YouTube channels. One extra income stream today can become your main income tomorrow. Now let's discuss debt. Debt isn't always bad. But high-interest debt is one of the biggest enemies of wealth. Every dollar you pay in unnecessary interest is a dollar that could have been invested for your future. Before buying anything, ask yourself one question. Do I truly need this, or am I buying it to impress other people? That one question can completely change your financial future. Here's another habit wealthy people never stop doing. They invest in themselves. Books, courses, skills, knowledge. Every new skill increases your value, and when your value increases, your income usually follows. Remember, your greatest asset isn't your wallet, it's your ability to learn. Finally, be patient. Building wealth isn't exciting every single day. It's often boring, saving, investing, repeating, month after month, year after year. But that's exactly how real wealth is created. Not through luck, not through gambling, not through chasing every new trend, but through consistency. Imagine yourself 10 years from today. Would you rather say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I had started earlier? Your future is being built by the decisions you make today. Start small, stay consistent, trust the process, because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a better financial future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.